Hey everyone, do you want to delete your Google account from your Android phone but don't know how to treat it or unable to trick it? Then today's video is for. In today's video, I will guide you step by step how you can check your Google account from your Android phone. But keep in mind, we are going to delete your Google account from your Android phone. We are not going to delete it permanently. You can easily log in future with your username or password in any 2x. So let's start our today's video without any further delay. To remove your Google account from your Android phone, you just need to do 4 or 5 steps. First of all, you have to simply open your phone's settings. We will open it. After that, you will get many options here. But you have to simply scroll down and find a option, accounts. Simply click on it. After that, you can see here the Facebook accounts, Google accounts, or other accounts are available here. But in some phones, you will get maybe different options. Here you can see all the Google accounts are showing here. You have to simply choose your Google account that you want to remove from your device. I will click on it. After that, you will get that kind of interface. You have to simply click on remove account. After that, a pop-up will be appear remove account. This is a warning message, but we want to remove this account, so we will click on remove account. After that, here you can see account is disappeared from our device and the account is successfully disappeared or removed from our device. But if you are using a Xiaomi phone, you have to simply open your settings. Here scroll down. Again, you will get a option accounts and sync. Last time, the option was accounts. Here you can see there are subsections. Facebook, Messenger, Telegram. Scroll down here. Truecaller, WhatsApp, X, work account, or at last you can see Google. You have to simply choose Google. After that, here you can see all the Google accounts that are logged in our Android phone are showing here. You have to simply choose that account that you want to remove from your device. I will click on that account. After that, you will get that kind of interface. Here you will get a option at last, more. You have to simply click on it. After that, you will get two options, sync now and remove account. So we want to remove that account. So we will click on remove account. After that, a warning message will be appeared. Remove account. Removing this account will delete all the messages, contacts and other data from this phone. You have to simply click on remove account. Here you can see account is successfully deleted from our Xiaomi phone. So friends, that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching.